There are some good reusable straws out there, but none that really get it right for everyone. Because a reusable straw is only perfect if you can take it with you. But then what? Throw a dirty straw in your bag? Heck no. Check this out. The Get It Right Ultimate Straw comes with a cleaning squeegee for a squeaky clean straw after each use. It's made from pharmaceutical grade silicone, it's odor resistant and taste free. And the very best part is it comes with a case that the straw and squeegee fold into. Sip, clean, fold, go.